Hello, welcome guys. This is Suryam and this is my first Excel tutorial. So in this video I'll show you how to select the rows and columns, how to insert data and how to manipulate the data, how to calculate the columns, how to use the formulas, and this will be in step-by-step tutorial. So this is my first Excel tutorial. So let's start. So in Excel, the first main thing is that selecting a required rows and columns. For example, if you're working on any, it may be some school application. We will be working on some school application today. Okay, so how many rows you require? First, you need to create a chart in your book that how many rows will be required, and how many columns will be required first. Just think, I required some 10 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and I required some 15 columns. Okay, so you just see my cursor is there. Selections, as per your selections, your mouse style changes. See, now you can see it is in some kind of plus, a bold plus. Okay, now when you put it to the corner of any table selection, you can see the style has been changed, and when you press the control, you can see there is more a small another place has been come on the top. So what are the uses, how we'll be using all those things, I'll be explaining in later tutorials. So first we'll talk about selecting rows and columns. So now I already said, you can see my cursor, you just click on any one. For example, if you want to start selection from here, you can select like this. So how to do the selections? Now put on first, okay, first box, and simply click your left button and drag. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now we got the 10 columns. Okay, so you want 10 rows now, so you can do it from here itself. 10, 1 minute, 1 2 3 4 5 8 9 10, it is J. Okay, so make selections to J like this, to the right, and you want it to 10, you make it to 10 like this. And for heading we'll take another one more line, so let it be like this. Now when you selected some rows and columns, you need to highlight them that you are working within the rows and columns, to make sure you are working within the rows and columns, to make it more easy to check in which row you are working, in which column you are working. You need to highlight this rows and columns first. So click on this, and if whenever you put your cursor on the functions, you can see there are many functions here, tools. So when you put your things like something like this, it will show you a drop down like this. Now you select all borders here. Right, now your all borders are selected fine. So that means you are going to work within the rows and columns. Now now the later I'll be telling you how to insert the data in this. Okay, so thank you guys. In the next tutorial we'll talk about how to insert the data in this. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching.